Wow.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah. So they're all missing in Unicode.
Wow. Quite a lot.
This is just 27. 27 characters missing in Unicode for Hakka, and for Minnan is a bit more, it's like 150 something. I'm looking if I can find the list here. I know I have it somewhere. Here. Missing. Yeah, these ones are all missing in Unicode. Some of the characters are invented by the guy who wrote the dictionary. These are marked with invented. All the other ones, NA, they are believed to come from other sources, but they are still missing in Unicode. So these ones are, how many? 154 are still missing in Unicode.
What means of invented? Is it you have the pronounced?
Yes.
You don't have
Pronunciation, but no character.
no characters.
Or at least he couldn't find any character for that. So he made up a character by himself. Yeah. So then of course you see these characters, they use the so-called IDS, ideographic description sequence. These are a set of glyphs. Where are they? These ones. So I'll make a new one. Like this ones.
Quậy sảy tỏ có phim của tôi.
Cái diễn kỳ á, cũng người số tuổi.
係啊，佢抵死啊！
That's like Photoshop.
Take it from character map or from your input method?
This one?
Yeah,
It is
No.
this cipher.
These
Chibom's default one. Okay.
these characters, they exist already in my form. I've included them.
Yes,
These are the
already
IDS characters. They are used to
the structure.
they are used to describe how the Chinese characters look like. Yeah. They can be used to describe, and how they be used. You can see it here. The first one is the IDS character, which describes what the following are made of, how they look like. Yeah? So, for example, these ones. Yeah? So the first character says that the left part. So this is this one. Yeah.
The larger part.
This one. Yeah. And then the left one. Fits here. Yeah, into this part. And then the right part, the remaining part here, is split up into upper part, lower part, which is this one and this one. So the character would look like this. Yeah. So this character can be described by this sequence. This is how IDS works. And there is a table, I have it here. There's a table which describes all Chinese characters currently in Unicode available. The table is unfortunately not complete yet. Have to look, where is it? Yes, here as such. IDS ING, this one. This one is like a database. It describes all the characters currently in Unicode, all the Chinese characters. Or tries. You see some are still missing, like this one. This one cannot be described because the parts are missing.
This is shoe.
Huh?
Shoe. You see?
Well, you can see here this character cannot be described because it cannot be split up into parts. Yeah, the strokes, there are no, the single strokes are not included in Unicode yet. That's why this character cannot be described. So some parts, for example, very popular one, which is still missing, is this one. Yeah. This part is still missing. Yeah. This one does not exist in Unicode, but this one is needed to describe another set of characters, which has this one as a part. Yeah. So this is a problem. There are about 400 of these parts missing in Unicode.
Oh.
Yeah. I guess you all know the website. Where is it? Hong Kong website to describe the characters, to describe the parts of the characters, right? I think you all should know this. This one. You know this one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So here we can have base component, and they have all possible parts of the characters. So of these parts, but they use pictures, yeah. They use pictures, so there's no problem for them. But of this list, 400 characters are still missing in Unicode. They don't have separate code points, so we cannot use them to describe other characters. This is a big problem. I have currently contact with one guy who developed a software, or his company developed a software to compose Chinese characters on the fly. They take this kind of sequence as input, and they will build this kind of character on the fly with stroke-based fonts.
There is an open source project in Taiwan.
Open source project.
I think 1 month ago, there's open source.
Exactly that one. Yeah.
What is Java?
Exactly. They use a Java, and they're going to release this one as open source.
I have read the news.
Yeah. Yeah. And I've talked to the guy who invented this, or who works together with them. He had a presentation. There was when was it? 2 weeks ago. There was a conference, open source developers conference in Taipei, hosted by some heavyweights. It was sponsored by Google and Yahoo, for example. And this conference is for open source programmers to introduce their projects, what they are using, what they are doing, and of course for those companies who sponsor it, they also want to find new employees, right? So they use it for recruiting. So I was there and I saw his presentation and I talked with him about this issue, and he said the list, they use these characters currently in PUA, private use area. Yeah, they use the PUA code points. Unfortunately, the code points they use, they conflict with HKSES. Yeah, because they overlap, unfortunately.
Yeah.